Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com, is brought to you by AP Laser, leading the way. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. And by RockAuto.com, all the parts your car will ever need.
Well, welcome back to Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com. Well, Dave, Josh made short work of those tires, and boy, they look good.
Yeah, he took it up the hill to the other shop there, put these Continentals on. They look great, and they're great for any weather. I've heard about them, and folks that have them love them.
No doubt about it. And you know, with the power stop brakes through the rim there, man, this thing's coming along great. Time to turn our attention to the headlights, and they need attention too, Dave.
They do, and it's not a major deal, but you look and see the old faded yellow headlights. This thing's been sitting around for 20 years in the Florida sun, and year after year, the UV rays beating on these coatings on the plastic. And back in the old days when we were kids, John, these headlights were made out of glass, so this didn't happen. But of course now, with the plastics, the UV rays, dirt on the road, that kind of thing can yellow these headlights. You've also seen where folks get moisture in between, just water vapor in there.
Yep.
It's time to replace them if that happens. With a yellowed headlight like this, you can buff it. There are all kinds of products out there to do that. Some people say toothpaste will do it.
Right.
Yeah, it'll work.
Yeah, we did that on Tech Garage. We buffed one up, but you know, Rock Auto hooked us up. You can see right here, man, look at the difference. And the beautiful part about this is actually this Marauder has the blacked out headlight. So not only do they have parts for the regular Marquis, they have it actually specifically for the Marauder, which was only made 2 years. That speaks volumes for RockAuto.com.
It certainly does. It certainly does. Yeah.
You know, Benjamin, our lead tech, he kind of went ahead and got this thing started. It was super easy. He took 3 little push pins off the beautification cover here, covering up the radiator and the support. Once he got that out, there was a few bolts right here on the back of the grill. Good idea to take the grill out. It's painted, so we didn't want to chip it up. Pop that off, got the grill laid up there safe. Dave, he said there was 3 bolts here.
1, 2, 3. One on my side, 2 on yours.
Look at that, I'll race
Let's
you.
do it. No, wait a minute.
All right, so I got a magnet here so
Yes,
you don't
sir.
drop it, but we'll get these 3 bolts out.
Yep.
Boy, this car's come a long way.
No, it's true, and a lot of it's minor maintenance items. We're doing fluids and brakes and that sort of thing. So this is a really nice find here, and the headlights are kind of the final touch. And needless to say, headlights are important. It helps you see down the road, helps other people see you, maybe more important. And it's one thing you want to keep after. You don't want to settle for a dirty headlight like that. Not yet. Thought I had it. Yep.
And especially with this Marauder, that's pretty cool with the blacked out ones on the front and the blacked out ones on the back.
Yeah.
Really, you can't even see that through these are in such bad shape.
Yep.
Oh,
Nope.
do you need the magnet?
No,
Oh,
give me the magnet. Sorry.
Confused.
Yeah, sorry. Who's on
Awesome.
first?
Well, we'll get that out. Yeah, we went through the transmission service, all the fluids, the serpentine belt, the drive system. Man, we got the brakes on there. I mean, just everything you would want to do to an old car, Dave, but not even an old car, just something you'd want to do to any one of the cars. But the Marauder, ooh, man, this thing's going to be awesome. Hey,
Yeah,
you ready to go?
Yeah, there might be a clip here I have to push
Little
down.
clip, push down on that, and I'll wiggle and
There you
pull.
go. Okay.
I better unplug it first. Let me unplug it.
Good
One
idea.
harness.
Yeah.
Man, look at that. Tuck that through. There we go. Try not
That's
to
it.
scratch the bumper. It needs a paint job anyway, but
Yeah.
hey, let's keep it nice.
You got it.
Man, look at the difference. Whew.
That is amazing.
That's unbelievable. So we'll take our new headlight. We got all the wire harness already built into it. All we have to do is just turn around and reassemble it. I'll kind of work it in there for you. Let's see, it's going in this direction, right? Yep.
Yep. And that's just as easy to put in as it was to take out. Just a few bolts and we are good to go. And that's going to finish up everything we have to do on this car.
Yeah, that's for us, but you know, the guys at the Modular Motorsports Racing MMR, they actually taught us how to bleed it. We got it up, we bled it. We don't have any problems. That's the beautiful thing. They're experts when it comes to these motors, but I do have a little tick. I can live with it, it's fine, but you know, why not send it to the experts at the Modular Motorsports Racing? Let them go ahead and just do the heads. We'll get new heads on it. I want this thing primo, Dave. I may keep it. I like this one.
It's a pretty sweet vehicle.
Yep.
Well, do not go anywhere because we've got a whole lot more here on our final episode of the season here at Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com.